as a team, you have to devise a strategy to estimate, and you have to come to consensus, and you have to like explain your thinking, right? And so I think this is like the field version of that like, and that's why we talk about in this kind of work, it's like 21st century skills. This is not, so it's like STEM-based work, but it benefits everyone because you need to be able to work in a team. You need to be able to communicate. You know, you're doing your research, you're relaying your findings. Those, like, no matter what field you're going into, those are beneficial things to, develop. And so that's kind of under, like, so with the multi-STEM stuff, there's this underlying kind of broadening career pathways piece. We talked about that a little, like, yeah, it's like our definition of STEM is not like the STEM, like the narrow. It's how can we make it more accessible, more, and encouraging teachers to do this kind of work instead of like, here, do this worksheet or read the chapter in the book and answer the questions, is not going to get anyone excited. Like
not everybody learns that way.
Not everyone learns that, and like our data literacy thing too. Like all of the things we're doing with math. That like, since you're doing applied work, that they're like, oh, and so it's such a great opportunity to work on that data literacy with things that kids are into and they're doing hands-on. They see it. And so if you have English learners or people who, struggle in math or whatever, this is actually a great pathway for helping them actually understand what stuff means. Like Hannah was talking about doing percentages, and it's like, you got your grid and you're counting it. They're going to understand what that means because they've done it like with their own data.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's just really, it's cool.
So it can like translate to all the
any field, right? Yeah. It's not like it's science based, but it's not exclusive, right? Yeah. It's inclusive and interdisciplinary is the idea.
Makes sense.
Trying to make it like, so helping the teachers feel more confident in that, and like so that they can like support their students.
Yeah.
In doing that too.